beautiful. Lovely. And even when you pop out the hip, if you can get like the legs, I don't know if you can do it without falling over. And then pop, yeah, really pop that. You're right one. Yeah, to the right. Lovely. If you just turn your head into the mirror to look into the mirror, lovely, it's perfect. Lovely. Perfect. I'll just switch lens again. Lovely. And then twist around the other way for me. Yeah, that way. Lovely. Did you say you wanted to put it down?